Hi guys. In this video we will present to you Norton Remove and Reinstall 4.5. What is Norton Remove and Reinstall for? To keep your computer updated with the best products, Norton has introduced Norton Remove and Reinstall. It helps your PC find the Norton products that have become outdated and access the latest version of these products. You can expect your computer to remain clutter-free with additional programs that are no longer used or required through this utility. It is a lightweight application, so installing it would not cost much of your computer's space, and you can keep your computer clean. The 2003 to 2007 versions of Norton products are among the applications you can expect to remove. One of the limitations of using Norton Remove and Reinstall is that you cannot see the cleanup process's progress level. Additionally, your computer will have to be restarted every time you want this application to work. With a few limitations and many benefits, Norton Remove and Reinstall is an application that can keep your computer clean and updated. Visit our site in description and get more info about Norton Remove and Reinstall.